All right, I'm gonna take this pitch in English as a service, a free service for all of the English-speaking people out there. So, we only have one planet, but yet in the European Union we consume as if we had 4 planets. And that's clearly unsustainable. We all know about it, but yet the problem remains. So, why is that? Well, every year, globally, on the global market, we buy 2.8 trillion goods and services. And the price for each of those purchases is wrong. Because they don't take environmental damage on the other side of the planet or for future generations into account. So, simply put, there is no way for us as companies or individuals to know what kind of environmental impact we have on a day-to-day basis. So for this reason and many other reasons, the European Union newly introduced a directive that requires 10,000 new companies to report on how sustainable they are. And this requires doing a lot of calculations on water, electricity use, raw material use, transportation, and so on. And that is very complicated and takes a lot of time. So, as you heard before, my name is Christian. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Normative. We are a business intelligence service that calculates the environmental performance of purchases automatically. And we're the first in the world to do this. And it's kind of like having a smart robot that does all of the complicated sustainability accounting for you. And you start by connecting your enterprise resource planning system and procurement system to Normative. Normative then automatically analyzes all of those procurements and calculate your environmental performance in different indicators like carbon emission, biodiversity loss, land use, and so on. And I guess you're all asking now, how does it really work? And to show that, I will actually give you a demo with one of the E.ON companies, E.ON Värme AB. So I'm going to show you how to upload 1,600 procurements from E.ON Värme AB from October to November 2016. So let's roll the video. So you start by selecting the file with all of the procurements, press upload, and as you can see, the uploads are quite fast. You select the file, press compute impacts. Now the machine learning works in the background, doing all of the environmental calculations on all of those 1,600 procurements. And now we're done. And now we press reports. And now we can see all of these different KPIs immediately. So for example, land occupation, 50 million square meters of land, and carbon emissions, 93,000. And here, if we select a subcategory like transportation, we can also see graphs and how we have performed over time for that procurement category. So let's go back to the presentation. So I want to highlight here that this is actually really cool. Nobody does this. We just uploaded data that would have taken, consultants and individuals weeks and weeks to calculate, and we did it in a matter of seconds, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. And since we started the E.ON Agile program, a lot of other companies have realized that this is actually quite awesome, and we can save a lot of money compared to hiring external consultants. So here are some of our customers that we have managed to recruit. We held this presentation a few weeks ago in Essen, and since then we have actually managed to recruit a few more. Very exciting. We can talk about it afterwards. And basically, this is a growing market. With the new EU legislation, this is estimated to be a 2 billion euro market just in Europe. And we're growing quite fast, and we believe that we can take a lot of market shares pretty fast because we have a unique solution. So my pitch here is that I want you, E.ON, to actually become a customer using our service. We were a part of E.ON Agile program, so it makes sense for you to become a customer. We can help you with some of the environmental calculations. And afterwards, you can be first in line once we take in investors, and we'll give you a really good deal there. But most importantly, let's change the world together, one procurement at a time. Thank you.